Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from savings to credit card with Ally Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your transfer from savings to your credit card with Ally Bank, start by logging into your Ally Bank account. Visit the official Ally Bank website or open the Ally mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. From here, locate your savings account and select it. Next, look for the option labeled Transfer Funds. Click on Transfer Funds to start the process. You will then see options for selecting the accounts involved in the transfer. Choose your savings account as the withdrawal source. For the destination account, select your credit card. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your savings account. Make sure to review the transfer details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Next to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions for verification. After verification, review the final confirmation screen. If everything looks correct, submit the transfer request. You should receive a notification that your transfer is in process. Keep an eye on your account balance to verify the transfer completion. That's all it takes to transfer funds from your savings to your credit card with Ally Bank. This process can help you manage your credit card payments efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.